Right, so question 2 of this 6-question exam. This is always going to be the presentational features question. It's another 8-mark question, so spend up to and not over 12 minutes on this one. They are always going to ask you to comment and explain how a headline and a picture are effective and how they link to the text. Now everybody always thinks, okay, headline and picture, but it's not. You must think headline, picture and text and how they all link together. The crucial thing is that detailed interpretation of how they link together. So not just treating each thing individually, the picture is this, the headline is this, the text is this, but to actually give a detailed explanation of why those things link together. Once again, same as question 1, they're asking for perceptive and detailed comments to be made. So make sure you do go into some detail. Don't just make the obvious question. Don't just make the obvious comment there. Have a little think about the things that are on offer. Now, in this particular exam, you have to have a look at a quick article called "Trapped Chilean Miners: Rescue Drill Reaches Their Refuge at Last." Now, you need to be able to say why that image, which actually looks quite odd at first, does link to that headline. You're going to have to think about how those things do link together. And in order to do that, and this is the most crucial thing for question 2, make sure you understand what that text is actually doing. Make sure that you know, as we said in the first question, the purpose of the text, the audience it's for, and the overall effect of it. What is that article there to do? And in this case, that article is there to inform the news, inform people of the world that there's been a breakthrough in this very, very dangerous operation to try and rescue these miners. It's a celebratory article. It's marking something positive that's happened. You need to be able to explain that. You need to show that you can explain that. Once again, and it's tricky when you've got a headline and a picture, but you do have the text to help you with this. They ask you for appropriate quotations to support your comments. So again, you need to be able to quote from things, and it's important, and I want to stress this at this point because it is important, it's relevant to all of the questions. Using integrated quotations here is very, very, very useful. Firstly, they look very good, and secondly, they allow you to make your point and prove your point quite quickly, rather than having to write a string or series of sentences. Okay, so that's question 2. Remember, it's 8 marks. Don't spend more than 12 minutes. Thank you.